Hi, my name is Sandra McKelvey and I'm from Cengage Learning. Today I'm going to walk you through how to access your homework assignments through MindTap. Your professor has posted a link on your Canvas site. I'm going to click on this link and this will take you to all your homework assignments. You can see right here that your instructor site has been set up. You may have a different section, so this section may not be yours. You'll have your own unique link. Some of you may actually already have accessed Cengage Brain. If you have not, you need to set up a new account, and I'm going to walk you through that process. We're going to create an account here. I'm just going to make up a fictitious name. We'll say Holt Student at gmail.com. So I'm going to create your account here. I'm going to scroll down, and on the account you need to set up your name. I'm going to call myself Sally, and I'm going to call my last name Jane. I'm going to set up the password for my site. Look at the specific characters to set up your site. It will give you how to set it up. 1000. Please note over here you have to select a security question. So I'm going to select what's your pet's name. I'm going to name it Spot. And right here I create my account. Oops, you have to remember, you have to read the service agreement. I'm going to check that, and now I'm going to create my account. Down here, what you see is I have an access code, I want to buy an access code, and I would like temporary access. I want you to select Start Temporary Access. The reason why I want you to select this access is Holt has special pricing that you will save 25%. So you will not pay $141. I believe it's $105. So we're going to go directly to the site. We're going to select it right here. When you log into the site, you will scroll down and it's going to ask you a few things, and you're going to select You Accept. And you're going to now enter the course. Now, when you enter the course, it's going to show you the different views here and here, and it's also going to have a place over here where there's a mobile app. And I usually kind of close this stuff out, but if you want MindTap to kind of walk you through how to use the site, that will do that. So right here I have posted a Register MindTap for class, read first. So basically right here you have a couple weeks before you actually have to pay for the course. And so that gives you this information. Down here has a link to access the code to actually get into the course. So right here you have the link to access your discounted access code. So I'm going to click on this link. Here is your link that you need to do. So I'm going to add it to my cart. So right here you can see that I'm actually in my Cengage Brain account, and I'm going to add it here, and the price is $105. Now you notice I'm going to continue, I'm going to check out now, and there's a secure checkout, and please note that this is an instant access product, so at the completion of your purchase simply go to My Home to access your product. So that I'm going to walk you through that completely. So here's your secure checkout. And I'm going to put it on pause because I'm going to put the billing information in, and then we will resume again. Okay, now I put my personal information in and I added my credit card. And I'm going to select Complete Purchase. And now it is actually loading. So now I've actually completed my purchase. So you can choose to go back to Cengage Brain, which is where all your where the MindTap and your Appley assignments are housed, or you go to My Home page, and that also takes you back to your Cengage Brain. So right here, if I scroll down, you will see that here is your class, Financial Management Cohort CM. What you want to do is now open this. And it brings me back into MindTap. So right here, you will see that you are now in the course. You do not need to use any of these links any longer. This was just for informative purposes. Once you're in the site, you will be able to access your ebook. You just click on the folders, all your information here, your reading assignments are in each chapter, and if there's homework, there'll be homework when you select it. You see how there's homework. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out of my site. And now I'm going to show you what happens when you have to go back into your site. So I'm logging out of everything, closing the windows. So if I want to go back into my site, you will need to log back into Cengage.com. You go to sign in, and you'll put in all your personal information. So I'm just going to put here, this is my other account. Now, as you see here, I'm just going to widen this up. I'm in my home page. This is my personal student home page, and I have a lot of different courses on here. I also am enrolled in your class right here. So, you know, if you're taking several classes at Holt and that you're using Cengage Brain, you would just scroll down and you see, look, I have all these different classes. But right now, I'm going to open up my class. And this is what will happen, just so you know, because I personally didn't pay for this particular one, so I'm as a different student. If I haven't paid yet, because remember I said that you have a couple weeks free access, you would go to your temporary access and it will take you to your course. So now I'm logging back into the course that I've set up here, and everything's right here. And when I'm ready, just like I just walked you through as Sally, I would then click on the link again and register for the course and go through the payment process. So pretty much that is it. I think you'll find that the site's very user-friendly. You'll be able to take notes. You'll have flashcards. The actual ebook will actually read to you. So there are a lot of different options. In the class, my information is right here, sandra.mckelvey@cengage.com. And if you have any questions, need any help with MindTap and how to access your Apply assignments, please feel free to email me. I think you'll find that you'll get a lot of use out of this course, and you'll be able to learn a lot. Thanks again, and if you have any questions, again, feel free to email me. My information is right there.